How to find missing apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Here, swipe down on your screen from the middle to open the search bar as shown. In the search bar, type in the name of the app you're looking for on your phone. For example, Subway Surfers. As you can see, there are no results for this app. After that, go back and keep swiping left till you reach the app library. Here, the apps are placed in different groups accordingly. For example, entertainment, social and more. Go to the search bar and type in the app name again. There are still no results. Then, scroll down to the Hidden Apps folder. You will find all the hidden applications over here. Now, go back and open up the App Store. On this page, tap on Search at the bottom right to proceed. Tap on the search bar and type in the name of the app you are looking for. For example, Subway Surfers. Tap on the search key on the keyboard to display the results. Locate the app in the list and tap on it. Over here, tap on the download icon to download the app. Following these steps, you can easily find missing apps on iPhone.